Hello my sugar plums, welcome back to my channel. Guys, in today's video we're going to be reviewing a lot of mold from a company called Craftspire. Now this company has reached out to me a while ago and they wanted to send me some mold to review, and I actually went to their website and they have quite a lot of different type of products on their website, and I chose mold. Guys, guess what? Some of their mold sell for 99 cents, and sometimes they even have sell on top of that 99 cents. So you end up buying mold for like 53 cents and 93 cents. It's crazy. So because I never buy any mold that's less than $1, I actually never buy a mold that's like $2. I don't think I have never seen a mold that's $2 on Amazon. So I wanted to, try them and see like, why are they so cheap? Because I know silicone is extremely expensive. That's why I don't like making my mold, because silicone is very, very expensive. So I wanted to try them out. So I went and chose different type of mold from 99 cents all the way to $10, and then I wanted to go ahead and test them for you guys, and that's what we're doing today. Now I got different ones. Now those mold, one thing I will say, they have like two different type of like silicone in their mold. You can see the little cat one that I got, and this one I especially got it for my 8-year-old daughter. She is obsessed with cat, especially black cats. So I wanted, and I got this one for her. And this little peacock right there, when I saw it, I was like, I wanted to try this peacock so much because it's have like so many detail on it. But I'm showing right now, the little cat is a hard silicone, while the peacock is like the little cat, rubbery silicone that kind of move a lot. So those are the two type of mold that I found. The silicone are kind of different, but they didn't make a difference really on what the quality of the product ended up being. But I wanted to print that out, and I was like extremely surprised, guys, how cheap the mold are. And you can see the silicone is a very thick kind of mold. The silicone is kind of pretty thick on it, and I have like different type. I got some small one. Again, those are like 99 cents. This one actually I saw it on the website. Now we have a sale on top of the 99 cents. I think you're only paying like 93 cents for it, which is insane, because unless you're buying stuff that's coming all the way from China, from like all Temu or like AliExpress, you don't get mold that's that cheap, and they are very nice and high quality. Now there's that one mold I'm gonna be showing you now. This mold right there I got, and I had no idea what the mold was. All I know was it was a pendant, but I didn't know, no, not this one, another one I'm gonna be showing you. And I know it was a pendant, but I didn't know what was the pendant look like. I thought it was like a geode pendant, and this mold right there. But this mold, I'll say that it's a good quality mold, but like the bottom part is what was a little bit too thin, because you can see have a tiny little hole in it, and I'll fix it later on. I'll put like a little clear tape at the bottom when I'm testing it right now, but later on I'll just go ahead and put a coat of like 100% tube silicone on it, and then that will completely fix it, because the mold itself is fine, but one of the backing is very thin. I'm not sure if it's in fact when they were making it that this one came damaged. I don't know if all of them are like this, but this one is one that I wanted to bring attention to. But it's one of those like rubbery kind of silicone. You have to make sure that it's like have a good coat at the bottom when you're finishing the product. But it's such a beautiful pendant. I was extremely surprised when I tested out, and then I removed it. I was like, wait, what? That was what it was. It was absolutely beautiful, and you will love this. So we're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna quickly showing you all the mold that I got, and then we're gonna test a few of them, and then on the next video I'll show you the remaining one, because I could not fit all of the mold in one video. The video will be way too long, guys, because I'm showing you the mold, and then I have to test all of them. It will be way too much. So make sure you have your notification bell on. If you're not subscribed to this channel, guys, make sure you hit the bell icon. Subscribe to the channel, please, and help me out a lot if you subscribe to the channel. If you like this video, also recommend it to friends and family, leave me a comment. That will help the channel out a lot. So make sure you have your notification bell to all, so that way you don't miss out any of the video. Now this is one of the mold that I wanted to get, and I was kind of bummed out when I got it, because it come in 3 pieces. Those are like picture frame, and the hot one, you can see it have like 2 part. You have a big one and a small one. Unfortunately, the big one got damaged in transit. It's unfortunate. I wanted the big one, but the I'm not gonna be able to test the big one because it will be a waste of resin, because it's completely damaged. The side got deformed, and then you have like some very deep ended at the inside. It was unfortunate, but I'll be testing the small heart and the square one. Now those one I wanted to get, guys. Those are so beautiful little deers, and they look so majestic and absolutely gorgeous the way they made them. Beautiful. The pack come in 5, and it's all 5 sizes. This is the biggest one, and oh my god, they are so beautiful. I can't wait to use them and do some very beautiful 3D stuff with them. And they come from all the way up into the tiny little baby one. I will be showing you the baby one compared to the big one to see how small the baby one is, but those are absolutely gorgeous. I will definitely go and buy some of those. And also, guys, I have a discount code for you from the website. It's Bellary10. I'll also put all the information in the link for you down below in the description box. So make sure you check the discount code, so that way you can get 10% off of your whole cart of something that actually already very cheap. So if you buy something for 9 cents, you get a 10% discount on it. Guess what? You will end up paying a whole less. So make sure to check that out, guys, for this. And also, you can see, I'll try to put it for you on the screen also, so you can see the code. And also make sure, if you go down to the description box, make sure you click on the link. This will bring you to their website with the discount code already included in it. But if you go directly to their website, you can use the discount code Bellary 10, and that's Bellary 10. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and quickly do a test for the mold to see how the product come out, if there's like any defect in the mold, what they look like. So I'm just gonna go ahead and quickly go through it. I'll try to fast forward most of them, because it's not about the DIY I'm making, but I'll be posting some short about different each one of the product that I'm doing, the DIY that I'm doing, so that way you can get like an in-depth of each one of the mold. But for now, I'm just gonna go ahead and quickly go through all of them. I'm gonna put some mica powder. Now this peacock, I wanted to do different colors, so we're gonna be doing that and blending in the colors in between, so that way we don't have like any harsh color between each other. So we're gonna try to blend the colors together a little bit, and so that way we have a nice little gradient color going on. Also, I'll be doing some other ones, but most of them that I use, they have like kind of details on them. I wanted to use different colors, and also make the background black, because if it will pop out a lot more. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you watch this part, and then I'll be back once I'm ready to show you the final way of what those DIY look like. And also, guys, make sure again to have your notification bell on, because I'll be posting the part 2 of the rest of the mold, because I wasn't able to do all of them in that one video, but I will make sure to push every single one of the mold. And they are extremely cheap, guys. I extremely recommend them, because you can get any better than that. 99 cents for some mold, it's insane. So make sure you go ahead and check the description box down below for the link for their website, and as well as the 10% discount code that you can use for your whole cart. So guys, I'll be right back once I'm ready to show you the final result, and I'll see you soon. All right, guys, so we are back now. This is the last one I'm going to be showing you. This is the result. Now, this is the double cross low pendant. I made a low, cute low pendant on it, and it's came out so beautiful, very, very detailed. And you can see the peacock, all those nice, very detailed peacock color with the feather. It's extremely, extremely beautiful. The camera doesn't do justice how beautiful that low peacock is. And as well, now this cluster of crystal, I absolutely love, love, love. This will go a long way in my geode work. I love making geode rocks, so those will be absolutely beautiful, and I will figure out a way to make the cluster smaller. Now, this is the pendant I was actually very surprised about, because when I remove it, I'm like, wait, it had all this detail on it, because you can't see all the detail on it. You have butterflies and flower. So I decided to go ahead and make something with it, and it's gonna look a little something like this. So again, I'll put short out to show you how I do all those in between that I'm not showing right now, but I absolutely love this little pendant right there. And of course, the little ice cream glass that I made, it's a shaker, so I end up making, putting more little glitz on it, and then added a little bit of shaker on it to make the little shaker. And I absolutely love that little jewelry box with a big bow on top. Absolutely beautiful, guys. Make sure you check out their product. I'll leave their website in the show box below, as well as the discount code for you to be using. I'll see you on the next video, guys, to show you the remaining of the mold that I haven't used today. I think I probably have maybe 4 or 5 left that I haven't used. I'll make another video for them, but make sure you keep checking out the channel, because I'll put short out for all those in between, guys. I love you so much. Until then, guys, you know the drill. Be blessed and stay blessed. I love you guys. Bye. Mwah.